Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for a Comerica credit card. If you don't have a Comerica bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for self-service at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Self-Service. At the right side of this page, you will see section for related links. Under Related Links is an option that says Apply for a Comerica credit card. Click on Apply for a Comerica credit card. On this page, you will see the list of Comerica credit cards. So they have consumer cards and business cards. Click on the Apply button beside the card you wish to apply for. To start your application, enter all the required personal, contact and financial information. For personal information, enter your first name, last name, middle name and suffix is just an optional. Also enter information for your birth date and social security number. Next, click the radio button beside Yes, if you're a U.S. citizen. After that, enter information for your contact, such as email address, primary phone number, street address and suite or unit number, but it's just optional. Here, enter details for your financial information. First, select your employment status. Next, enter your total annual income. Also, select the source of the total annual income. Click on the radio button beside Own or Other for your housing status. Then enter your monthly payment. Now, enter all the required remaining information for account relationship. Also, enter the additional information for your ODP account number. For final touches, click on the following checkboxes if it applies to you. Lastly, read the terms and conditions stated below. So after reading and if everything looks good, click on the Accept Terms and Submit button. That's how you apply for a Comerica credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.